Jerry, this is Bailey. We spoke earlier on the phone today. Thank you again for taking the time to chat with me today. I work with SEO Tycoon Dallas. Here it's a local SEO company, and we help small businesses just like yours outrank their competition and bring more business in the door. So before we get started, I just want to go ahead and put a disclaimer out there that while, yes, this is what I do for a living, I'm going to walk you through all the tools that I use, and I'm going to walk you through 3 steps that really could get your website ranking higher today. So if you never want to hear from me again, there is zero obligation. This is just totally what I do, and it's my passion, so I like to share that. So just to kind of get started, I pulled up your website just to see kind of what you do and what you like. So when I pull up Techline furniture, cabinetry, and closets, obviously I get to your website. Looks like I love this closet, by the way. I think that is so cute with the little desk and everything. But it looks like you guys do really good work for offices, medical facilities, closets, offices, all those kind of things. What I would like to see on here from a search engine optimization standpoint would just be some more content. Looks like we've got maybe 200 words on this front page, whereas Google really likes to see about 1,500. Because when Google crawlers come through, they want to make sure that the people that they're ranking at the top of their searches really should be there so that they have enough content to provide customers with the best experience. It also allows us to put some keywords in there to make sure that you're ranking for what you want to rank for when people do search for you in Google. So we would want to put some more content on here just to give people a little bit more to look at. That's going to be more pictures, more content, a little bit more spaced out, just a lot of those things. It is great that your phone number is up here so that people know how to reach you, but we probably would want to make that a little bit bigger. Maybe give people a call out, like a free consultation, or just little things like that that just make them really want to partner with you. One of the tools that I use to kind of look at the back end of websites is right here called Ahrefs. And when I put in your website, so this UR, it means that you guys have some trust in the area, but not a lot of power bringing traffic to your website. So we would want to see those numbers increase, but you do have a lot of keywords that you're ranking for, and it looks like that number just went up, so that's fantastic. And you've got some good traffic with that. So let's take a look at some of the keywords that you are ranking in Google for. And let's see what Google has to say. Oh, come on, Internet, please don't go slow on me. Happens every time, right? Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, so looks like a lot of people know your name. Looks like a lot of people search for you guys, so that's good, but we want to make sure that we're hitting people that don't know you. Obviously, returning customers are great and referrals are great, but we want to make sure that people that are like me, just looking for custom closets Fort Worth. That's what I originally searched, and that's what I compared against the competition, and then we'll get to that later. But we want to make sure that people can find you, not just the people that have already used your services. There's only so many custom closets for one house that you can do. So that would be something that I would want to make sure that we got on y'all's website, was just custom closets Fort Worth, custom closets Dallas, all of those things. So those were things that we would want to look for. So just for comparison, let's go ahead and take a look at your competition. This is More Space Place, and they have a very basic website. Again, no content. So essentially what that means to us is, I put this in a fantastic position. All we have to do is go in, get you some content, get you some pictures, get you some content, some backlinks, and some citations, which we'll get to, and you'll outrank them in no time. There's no reason that this guy should have your money in any way, shape, or form. But let's look at his Ahrefs. So he's got some good trust, but barely any power getting him there. Good number of keywords and some traffic from that. Let's see what he's ranking for. Murphy beds. So it looks like maybe that's a good chunk of their business. Custom Closets Dallas. They are in 12th position there, so they're on the 2nd page, so it's not like they're super outranking you anywhere. Yeah, it looks like a lot of bed stuff. So if this is somebody that you guys know you lose a lot of business to in the closets department, or even in the Murphy beds, I mean, obviously we can do both. It's not like they are ranking #1 across the bed, or across the board, but it puts us in a good spot. Puts us in a really good spot to outrank them. Another one of your competitors, let's look at Dallas Custom Closets. And just for your knowledge, when I say your competitors, I just typed in custom closets in Fort Worth, Texas, and these are the top ones that popped up. So when I go here, a sale, my free design consultation. This is one of those call-outs that we were talking about, but we would make that flow a little bit better and more of a call-out instead of just like, oh, hey, contact me. Because they have their number. People will contact them if they want to contact them. But you really want to highlight those shout-outs that you're doing. So let's just give this a scroll. Some pictures, some content, but not a lot. Not a lot of content at all. That's maybe 750 words. I'd be surprised if it was more than that. But either way, Google likes to see 1,500. So if they're not seeing that here, it's pretty easy to outrank them. Let's take a look at their arrows. They've got some good trust, but not a lot of power. Quite a few keywords, but they're significantly down. So let's take a look at that. See, custom closets, but custom closets Dallas, they're ranking 23rd, so they're not anywhere close to the top. So let's see if they have something Fort Worth popping up. Not seeing it, not seeing it. So yeah, so that makes them very easy to outrank. Very, very easy. I'm going to pull up another tool that I use to show you another portion of the SEO services that we do on the back end. So backlinks and citations are something that nobody's ever really going to see, but they push traffic to your site. Backlinks we just throw all over the internet. It's a link to your site. It's a visit, it's a custom closets link in a paragraph, and you click it and it takes people to your website. So all of those will push traffic here, as well as citations. Citations is just blasting your name, address, and phone number everywhere. So it's where that name is seen. So here it looks like you guys have 26 of them, which is a good number, but obviously the more the merrier. We would never stop getting citations. For More Space Place, they have 33. So what's that? Barely above you guys, and they didn't have a very good website. So we can totally outrank them there. And citations is a very quick way to get you guys traffic. And Dallas Custom Closets only has 7. That's insane. That's probably the lowest number I think that I've ever seen on citations on a decently published website. So all of this stuff means really good for us. It means that it's easy to outrank them. It means we can outrank them quickly. And I mean, obviously that's fantastic. That's what we're all here for, right? Is to provide the service that we provide and make money while we're doing it. So if any of this in this video interests you or excited you or gave you hope to grow your business, please reach back out to me, and I would love to either give you guys my detailed plan of attack, and you can roll with it, never have to talk to me again. But if you do see the value in what I bring to the table and you do think I would be a good partner for you guys, please let me know and we can get on a call or even sit down. Like I said, I am local in the Dallas area, so we can sit down and meet and really do a deep dive into how we can get you to the top and what we need to do to get there. And how long that'll take, because if your company needs business now, if you guys need traffic in the door now, there are things we can do right now to get you there, to get that for you until we get that traffic coming to your website organically. So either way you want to take this, we can absolutely help grow your business, and I mean, that's totally what we're here for. So it's been a pleasure. You have a great rest of your day, and I hope we get the chance to chat soon. Have a great day.